Oh, too loud. I gotta be checking my microphone because I was recording yesterday and the first half of it was very, very low. Well, yeah, yesterday I went with my buddy to help him wire some electrical outlet, electrical lights. I was helping him, feeding him the wires. I wasn't touching live wires because I'm not a electrician. I'm a pool guy, as you guys know. But I think I'm gonna come back to my weekly vlogs, maybe once or twice a week. And I'm thinking of converting my personal channel into my all-around channel, because my main channel, I have over 5,000 subscribers, but not all of them watch. So I don't know, I'm thinking of just putting my reviews on my personal channels. For the last week, I was working on some black algae on a couple of pools, and I'm gonna see how the procedure is going. And I'm gonna wash a filter or two, yeah.
It's all about the fam. It's all about the fam. It's all about the fam. It's all about the, yeah, it's all about that. It's all about the fam.
So my buddy over at Cape City yesterday gifted me with one of these Monopoly scratch off $20 ones, and it was 40 bucks, man. Thank you, Jermaine. And I decided to buy another one and see if I get anything. I need to turn on this AC because it's way too damn hot. I won $20. Okay, so we're done washing the filter. I'm gonna put it back in now. Something I've been wanting to do is take the model number and put it in the system. I've been procrastinating that, and like that I know what type of filter cartridge is, so when they need to order one. Next thing you want to do is check the pump skimmer. Next pool. Gotta stay hydrated. Super hot. It says 85 degrees. I don't believe that. It seems to still have a little bit around there. All right, I'm about to refill on chlorine. I gotta get a new skimmer net. I kind of like this route that I'm doing. Before I would have to like come to the supply store and get my chemicals, then start my route, which threw me off because there's a couple of pools right by my house. But now that I do it between my route, helps me, because now whatever chlorine I have, I still have chlorine left over for next Friday. So when I start my route, my first 3 to 4 pools, I could go to those pools before getting close to the chemical shop. I'm home. Alexa, main lights on. I just turned it on to say that I'm home, and that's it for today. I'm gonna eat my lunch, which is actually a sub from Publix, but it's whole wheat bread. I'm trying to eat, light, because I'm gonna diet. I'm going back to the gym, and honey turkey. No.